With the Define Validation Rules app, you can create or edit validation rules for verifying financial data. I'm going to show you how to create a rule. Under General Information, I fill in the mandatory fields, the rule ID, and the short and long descriptions. I'll specify a tolerance value of 10 to allow a difference of 10 units in comparison. I then have the option to select Group By criteria, a control level, and the Comments Required option. Now I'm creating a rule to verify that the net income for a certain period reported in the balance sheet is equal to that reported on the profit and loss statement. In the left formula field, I enter an alias, NIBS, and then set the expression parameters that I want. I need this side of the formula to aggregate the year-to-date amounts posted for a range of balance sheet accounts, so I select Sum, Year-to-date amount, and where I want the amounts to come from. In my case, this is a combination of sub-items starting with 91 and with this financial statement item. I want the left side to be equal to the right side within the specified tolerance, so I select the equal sign as my comparison operator. And on the right side, I again enter an alias, NIPL, and set this side to sum up the year-to-date amounts posted for a range of profit and loss statement accounts, which includes FS items starting with 9, but not starting with 9-1. I then save and activate my rule. Now my activated rule is displayed at the top of the rule list. Displaying the rule details allows me to check on my rule in a more intuitive way, and I notice that while it is almost correct, I missed one step. I need to go back and edit the rule I just created. I'll change the right formula to multiply an operand by -1. Then I save and activate the rule again. Please note that for any operand, I can convert the filter conditions to SQL where clauses by choosing where condition details. This is particularly useful in checking and or logical relationships between various filter conditions in one operand. After that, I check rule details and find my changes are right there. Everything looks as I want it to, so I know that my rule will be expressed properly. And that's it. The Define Validation Rules app makes it just that simple to define your validation rules. Why don't you try?